The first step is to define your project clearly. Unclear project definition is a common reason for project failure. So it is vital to define what your stakeholders will get at the end of the project. If you think critically about Alice's project, you would immediately start to identify how ambiguous the project definition is. You start to ask questions like, what kind of dashboard is it? Where should it be built? What kind of reports are needed on the dashboard? Who are the consumers of the dashboard? What decisions are they trying to make with the dashboard? And so much more. Within project definition, it is vital to clearly define objectives that can be measured to determine just how successful the project was. The next step you must take is to identify the key stakeholders who would be impacted by the outcomes of the project and the stakeholders you'll be collaborating with to execute the project successfully. Here's a bonus tip for you. If you're working on a large-scale project, commit some time to knowing your key stakeholders. The reason is you ensure you understand their best mode of communication for collaborative purposes and status updates. Also ensure you know their roles on the project by creating a RACI chart. A RACI spelled as R-A-C-I. A RACI chart stands for who is responsible, accountable, consulted, and informed on a project. Understanding your stakeholders and their roles on the project is the key to providing the right information and status updates at the right time. When you do this, everyone is aligned on the project's progress and can manage the expectations and risks. Communicate effectively by creating a status update document that can be circulated amongst critical stakeholders. Additionally, you can schedule periodical status calls with key stakeholders to provide a brief update on the project's progress, along with critical changes that might impact the project. Here's another nugget for you. If they have to follow up, you're already too late. It is important to communicate and over-communicate often.